Now let's move on to the last exercise of the chapter, which is reading comprehension. तो यहाँ पे हमने एक पैसेज को पढ़ना है गौर से और उसके बाद जो हमें सवाल दिए गए हैं हमने उनके जवाबात देने हैं. Read the passage and answer the questions given at the end of the paragraph. One of the men now stepped forward, saying to his friends, "You remain quiet and leave this fellow to me." Then addressing himself to the newcomer, he cried, "Hear you, sir. These men do not understand the matter at all. I can set it all right for you in a minute." Saying this, he lifted a heavy stick bound with iron rings and struck a camel which was feeding off the leaves of a wild plum tree. The stolid creature, scarcely feeling the blow, merely moved a step or two forward. "You observe," said the man, "the effect of this treatment on the camel. Now observe its effect on a human being." He then struck the man himself a similar blow, which felled him to the earth like a log. When consciousness returned, this bewildered victim inquired, "Why, sir, this cruel usage?" Now let's move on to the questions. So the first question is, who addressed the newcomer? And the answer is, one of the camel men addressed the newcomer. The second question which we have is, with what did he strike the camel and what was the effect of it? The answer is, he struck the camel with a stick bound with iron rings. The stolid creature scarcely felt the blow, merely moved a step or two forward. And the third question is, what was the effect of the same act on the man? And the answer is, the camel man then struck the man himself with the same stick, bound with iron rings. It felled him to the earth like a log and became unconscious. The last question which we have is, what lesson do you get from the passage? And the answer is, we get lesson from the passage that we should mind our own business. We should not imitate others blindly and foolishly. So here we have come to our discussion of exercise of the chapter number 9, which is the foolish quack. I hope you have understood it very well. This is Huma, your English subject instructor from tutoria.pk, saying Allah Hafiz.